This wasn't a paid ad. They just sent me the table, but wait till you see what it can do. So today I'm finally unboxing the Flying Pig electric grooming table they sent me, and I cannot wait to try it. Let's get into it. First off, it's packaged really well. Everything feels secure, nothing sliding around. You've got the table, grooming arm, power cord, and a few tools for setup. The surface is nice and grippy. Love that for safety, and the frame is solid. This thing is heavy duty. Assembly is pretty straightforward. You attach the grooming arm, plug it in, and you're basically good to go. One thing I noticed right away, these wheels, I can move the table back and forth across the room effortlessly, even with one hand. It locks into place when you need it, but when I want to reposition it, it's smooth and easy, especially helpful when you've got multiple dogs to work with. Let's get into the grooming arm now. So the grooming arm slides into the built-in bracket right here. You tighten it down with a knob. No tools needed. It adjusts easily, and once it's in, it's not wobbly at all. I've actually bought grooming tables that cost more than this one, and they all had some kind of wiggle or instability to them. Nothing I've used before has felt this sturdy right out of the box. The instructions were actually really easy to follow, which was a nice surprise. No confusing diagrams, no guesswork, just clear steps to get everything in place quickly. Time to test the lift. We're having Trust step up. He's 100 pounds. Watch how easily this lifts him. We're using the foot pedal and it's smooth, steady, and quiet. No rattling, no loud motor, no hesitation. He didn't flinch at all, and that says a lot. If a big dog can go up this calmly, you know it's well built. Huge thanks to Flying Pig for sending this over. I'll be sharing more after a few full grooms, but first impression, it's sturdy, quiet, easy to move, and held my 100-pound giant with no problem. Honestly, it's better than some of the pricier tables I've used in the past.